I am from Gaugras Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 10 that has been taken from exercise 5.2 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. The question is prove that the greatest integer function defined by f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x comma 0 less than x less than 3 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution. Here I shall write given that f of x equal to greatest integer function of x where condition is 0 less than x less than 3. Now here it is given greatest integer function of x. So let us understand what is greatest integer function of x. Here I shall write concept. Concept, first of all I shall discuss concept related to greatest integer function. Concept greatest integer function, greatest integer function of x. Greatest integer function of x. Notion is this one. X is enclosed in square bracket known as greatest integer function of x. First of all I shall make number line. This is number line. Here it goes to plus infinite, here goes to minus infinite. In center if you take here 0, it will become, things will be equally divided, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I shall write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. On the number line I shall show the what greatest integer function is. So like this it moves, goes up to this one, up to this one, up to this one. Like this make the diagram in your notebook. Here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to the left side, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Numbers, integers. Integers, positive integers, negative integers, and 0 is also an integer are shown on the number line like this. Moment will be 5 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2, 2 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2, minus 2 to minus 3, minus 3 to minus 4. The greatest integer function will be x, value of x will always be 0, comma x can take value 1, x can take value 2, x can take value -1, x can take value -2, -2. Here greatest integer function equal to of x equal to 0, greatest integer function of x equal to 1, greatest integer function of 2 equal to 2, greatest integer function of -1 is -1, greatest integer function of -2 is -2. Same number you can see 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. These numbers are shown on the number line. Only this value will take. No fractional part will be allowed. If I write here 1.1, if I take the value of x equal to, let x equal to 1.1, then greatest integer function of 1.1 will be 1, because 1.1, if I mark 1.1 under number line, somewhere 1.1 will lie at this point. At this point 1.1 will lie on the number line. So if I take here 1.1, greatest integer function of 1.1, 1.1 is lie at this place. If I take the greatest integer function of 1.1, the moment of arrow you can see 1.1 move back to 1, it will become 1. If I take x is equal to 0.9, then greatest integer function of 0.9, I shall mark 0.9 on the number line. So somewhere 0.9 will lie on the number line, somewhere at this place. At this point 0.9 will lie. The greatest integer function of 0.9 will become here 0. If I take, let x equal to 3.5, then greatest integer function of 3.5 will be marked under number line. So somewhere 3.5 will lie at this place. 3.5 at this place. By showing the arrow mark here, move back to here 3. The greatest integer function will be 3. This means that in greatest integer function, no fractional part is allowed. I shall take an example once again. If I take x equal to -1.5, then greatest integer function of -1.5, first of all mark -1.5 under number line. So -1.5 will lie at where it will lie, -1.5. Somewhere it will lie at this place. The greatest integer function will be -2. Comes out here -2. Because 1.5 -1 minus 1 lie at this point, plus 0.5. 0.5, where 0.5 will lie? 0.5 will lie somewhere at this plate. Automatically it will become minus 2. Because here minus 1 will be added to minus 0.5, then it comes out to be minus 1 will be added to minus 0.5, comes out to here minus minus, it will become 1.5 comes out to be. So in this case you will get here greatest integer function minus 1.5, minus 1 is there, plus minus 0.5 again adha, so you will get here minus 2. The greatest integer function will be evaluated like this. On the basis of this one trend, I shall fix this one. Let us see. Here it says, since the condition is zero less than x less than 3, this means that value of x will take only 0.5, 0.9, 1, 2, 2.5. All these numbers you can see, if I take the value of x 0.5, 0.9, 1, 2, 2.5, all values will satisfy, all values of x will satisfy this condition. Now given function is f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x. It says not differentiable at x equal to 1. So first of all, at x equal to 1, I shall find left hand derivative. So here I shall write at x equal to 1, comma, left hand derivative at x equal to 1. So here I shall write lim x equal to 1 is there. In this sense, I can write x tends 1. Since here left is written, for left I shall write x tends 1 of negative. And I shall write f of x minus, here x equal to 1 is there, so f of 1 whole over x minus 1 I shall write. This is the formula you must remember. Here you can see x tends 1 of negative. So here I shall explain x tends 1 of negative. This means that the immediate value of x must be less than 1. Means that immediate value of x must be less than 1. Immediate value of x must be less than 1. The immediate value of x must be less than 1. Less than 1, x can be written as 0.9. I can write 0.9. Because here 0.9 is less than 1 immediate value. The immediate value of x must be less than 1. If I take immediate value of x as 0.9, 0.9 is less than 1. X tends 1 of negative means immediate value of x must be less than 1. X is less than 1. If I take the immediate value of x as 0.9, 0.9 is less than 1. So here it is written f of x equal to greatest integer function of x. So if I take the value of x as 0.9, then greatest integer function of 0.9 comes out to here 1. 0.9, 0.9, 0.9 comes out to here 0, not 1, 0. Because here you can see 0.9, 0.9 will lie somewhere here. Just showing the arrow moving backward, so comes out to here 0. The greatest integer function of 0.9 comes out to here 0. This thing will be there. So let us write here. Here write left hand derivative lim f tends 1 of negative. In place of f of x, I shall write, if I can take the value of x as 0.9. X equal to 0.9 I can take, satisfying this condition also. So I shall write here zero point nine don't write 0.9, write here fx, greatest integer function x minus f of 1, to put here f of 1, I shall put here 1, it will become 1. Here I take the value of, okay, here write x minus 1. Left hand derivative comes out to be lim f tends 1 of negative. Here you can see, if I take immediate value of x as 0.9, the greatest integer function of 0.9 comes out to here 0. Here greatest integer function of 1 comes out here 1, whole over x minus 1 I shall write. You can write in bracket also. Now here I shall write left hand derivative comes out to be, here I shall write lim h tends 0, then it comes out to be 0 minus 1 whole over, in place of x I shall write 1 minus h minus 1. plus 1 minus 1 will you cancel out. So here lim h tends 0 in bracket you will get minus 1 over minus h comes out to here lim h tends 0 1 over h comes out to be 1 over 0. It will goes to infinite. This thing you have got. Left hand derivative you have got infinite. Now I shall tackle right hand derivative at x equal to 1. So here I shall write at x equal to 1 right hand derivative equal to lim x tends 1 are positive f of x minus f of 1 whole over x minus 1 at x equal to 1 right hand derivative equal to lim x tends 1 are positive fx. So here you can see x tends 1 are positive. This means that value of x must be greater than 1. So here I shall write x tends 1 are positive, means that immediate value of x must be greater than 1. Immediate value of x must be greater than 1. The count x I can take here 1.1. 1.1 is greater than 1. X tends 1 are positive means immediate value of x must be greater than 1. Immediate value of x is greater than 1. The value of x must be greater than 1. So if I take the value of x, immediate value, x equal to 1.1, 1.1 is greater than 1. If I take greatest integer function of x comes out to be greatest integer function of 1.1. You can see under number line 1.1. Where 1.1 will lie. Under number line you can see on number line greatest 1.1 lies at this place. The greatest integer function of 1.1 comes out here 1. F of x I shall write here 1 and f of 1 greatest integer function comes out to here, greatest integer function of 1 comes out here 1. So here I shall write minus 1. Whole over x minus 1 comes out to be. This thing you will get. Now again equal to lim h tends 0 1 minus 1 whole over in place of x I shall write 1 plus h minus 1 comes out to be here lim h tends 0. This value 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0 whole over plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. I will get here h. At s equal to 1, right hand derivative, you have got lim h tends 0, 0 over h comes out to here 0. And also f of 1 is equal to greatest integer function of 1 comes out to here 1. f of 1 is equal to 1, comma, left hand derivative is equal to infinite, right hand derivative is equal to 0. F of 1 is not equal to left hand derivative, left hand derivative is not equal to right hand derivative. F of 1 is not equal to left hand derivative, is not equal to right hand derivative. 1, infinite, 0. Different values we have got here. Therefore, here I shall write at last, therefore, f of x equal to greatest integer function x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Here you can see f of 1 is equal to 1. Left hand derivative, left hand derivative you have got infinite, and right hand derivative you have got 0. F of 1 is equal to 0. The f of 1 is not equal to left hand derivative, is not equal to right hand derivative. Therefore, f of x is equal to greatest integer function of x is not differentiable at x equal to 1. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 10, exercise 5.2, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. This is one of the important questions. This may be asked in board exam, 12 board exam. Here I shall explain greatest integer function of x. Notion is this one, and whole diagram, whole concept I have made here understood. Please note this of one. Okay guys, thanks.